Hello, dear everyone. After we have learned the concept and definitions of what a thesis statement is, let's do some practice to enhance understanding and to reinforce our learning. There are two practice activities here, both of which give the examples of poor thesis statements. The first one is from the beginning level, and the other is from the higher level. Though the second one needs more skills, it is a rather common mistake. A title like thesis statement is normally shorter than the announcement kind. When you do know the vital importance of a thesis statement, you won't make such a casual mistake, especially when you have already known the structure for writing a thesis statement. The second point that says a thesis statement should be restricted, which means the scope or the content for an essay to discuss should be within your power to cover. The content can be either in a bigger scale or in a smaller scale, so long you can support yourself in levels.